Hello friends, I am starting organized self-employment ministry and budget session. This book which is written by me, I am trying to sell. This book is organized self-employment ministry idea which I am trying to sell in the various organized self-employment ministry budget session. This is organized self-employment ministry 10th session. Organized self-employment ministry, which is a concept generated by me where the people can generate trust and faith in me, which is trying to explain we should have right of pension, fundamental right of pension after 14 years for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office, fundamental right, direct link to ministry and budget, preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized employed. We should be directly linked to ministry and budget. We should have self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office system, fundamental right. By this we will become self-employed government servant in the own work. We will be responsible to the documents will be generating a vote bank to the parliamentarians parliament, and we will develop a organized path by that. I am Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 941176, mobile number 6397360717, mobile number 6397360717. My concept is organized self-employment ministry. Self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit. Understanding this will give us organized life. And let us come to the respected concept from Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, room number 1, where Shiv Shakti Mandir document, Shiv Puran, 12 Banarsi sari and 12 dhoti, and photo 16.66% photo election card of election commission, 16.66% Aadhaar card, and 16.66% PAN card. Conceptual explanation of democratic concept. Room number 2, Vishnu Lakshmi, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, 12 Banarsi sari, 12 Banarsi dhoti, 16.66% photo election identity card, 16.66% Aadhaar card of Hindu, 16.66% PAN card of Hindu. Third room, Brahma Saraswati, ISBN, the various books of Rabindranath Tagore, Vivekanand, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru, Narendra Modi, MPs and MLAs of Hindus, Indira Gandhi, Vivekanand, Vinoba Bhave, all these books ISBN. Brahma Saraswati Puran, 12 Banarsi sari, 12 Banarsi dhoti, 16.66% photo election identity card, 16.66% Aadhaar card, and 16.66% PAN card. conceptual democratic explanation to understand organized self-employment ministry, how we are not responding and why irregular income is there. Then come to the room number 4, Adi Shakti Jagdamba Durga Sabsi Devi Bhagwat Mandir documents. 12 mandir each recommended by me in truth only terms. And then the 16.66% Aadhaar card, 16.66% photo election identity card, and 16.66% PAN card. And then room number 5, Varshkrit, Surya Chandrama Navagrah Dhanvantri Kuber, many type of Hindu Varshkrit, Pankadi Muni Saptarshi, 12 Banarsi Sari, 12 Banarsi Dhoti, and 16.66% photo election identity card, 16.66% Aadhaar card, 16.66% PAN card, direct link to ministry and budget by the concept of Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. Pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. When you will purchase this book, Truth Only Terms, you will study this automatically. 6 drama you will understand, which is already we are playing. Only we have to validate it, and we will become self-employed government servant. Vote bank automatically we are. Constitutionally we will acknowledge. Then come to the 6th room, 20 into 5. From this, it is taking this concept birth, then giving validity in Amit Kumar Jha concept, Amiteshwarism concepts, the government history, Parliament, RBI, Supreme Court, bureaucracy, army, police, secretariat, university, press, and taking the documents up till 31st August 1946, automatically putting it and giving validity 16.66%, time husband, time wife, 12 Banarsi Sari and 12 Dhoti, 16.66% Aadhaar card, 16.66% photo election identity card, 16.66% PAN card, permanent account number. Now it is 16.66 into 6, 100%, 100% Aadhaar card, 100% photo election identity card, and 100% PAN card. Now we have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I and from the Governor House I, because the concept is big, which is giving employment life to one and all. Self-employment government job, double work we are able to generate, and validity and vote bank is also being generated. The political work in 16.66% is seen of a devoted politician. The economical businessman, 16.66% work is seen. The lawyers and the educationalists, 16.66% work is seen. From the democratic organized way, the family person, family woman, 16.66% organized, pure work is seen. The truth non-violence saviors, who is moving truth saviors and truth saviors, 16.66% work is seen. The government is really democratic, 16.66% work is seen. If you will try to acknowledge, we are living in this constitutional society, we have to acknowledge the concept. We have to purchase this book, Truth Only Terms of Amit Kumar Jha, by calling 6397360717. And we have to understand that this book generate the truth and non-violence methods by which we can be able to form the truthness, the way by which we will be able to make ourselves strong. It is not like that we cannot make. The drama which I have tried to write in this book, the drama which I have written in this book, Truth Only Trumps, the organized self-employment ministry in 2001. 6 family drama. 6 family drama of Shiv Shakti family, Vishnu Lakshmi, Ram Sita, Krishna Radha family, Brahma Saraswati, Law Education family, Adi Shakti Jagdamba family, each united Varshit God and Goddess family, and government Ishwari family. And their son, Ganesh Skand Kartiya Hanumanji, Naradji. All I have tried to portray, which we are living in day-to-day life, we have not acknowledged. From 2001, this is 2021. This is Organized Self-Employment Ministry 10th session. We have to understand acknowledgement, validity on income, work, educational certificate, and faith. Signing the documents by fully reading it in a democratic manner, in a constant manner. We are able to make organized self-employment ministry and budget with our chain networking of truth, non-violence. If you will see the Shiv Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Vishnu Puran, Brahma Saraswati Puran, in English, welfare power, life money, law education, Durga Saptati and Bhagavad Gita, family and her husband, Varshkrit, Hindu Varshkrit, Truth Savior and Truth Saviors, and government Ishwari, that is Samvidhan, government Ishwari, time husband, time wife. What we will get? We will get self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, Finance Commission of India. We have already Finance Commission of India. We have private work. We will also have self-employment government job by Organized Self-Employment Ministry and budget. I have made fiscal credit per month over fiscal credit table. From illiterate to 5th standard to 8th standard, pass to 10th standard to 12th standard to graduation to post-graduation. The fiscal credit has been given. In 30 days, that's per month showing fiscal credit is changing into fiscal credit salary, and half of the fiscal credit salary is the pension, which we can get by our validity and trust. Because by understanding the documentation concept of organized self-employment ministry, we are already living in the government economy. Starting from 1783, in 1860, we documented our annual budget, 108 ministry, railway budget 1 ministry. Since then, we got independence in 1947. We have been working in democratic manner. We have achieved a lot. We can achieve more lot by organized setup of Amit Kumar Jha, Organized Self-Employment Ministry. The drama which I have written of 6 family, which I am conceptualizing in front of you in Organized Self-Employment session number 10, that we can be able to form Organized Self-Employment Ministry and budget, and we can generate self-employment government job system to one and all. Yes, infinite population and infinite profession can adjusted by the document in Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. By purchasing this book and understanding the Aadhaar card, PAN number and photo election card, we are in approach of organized self-employment ministry. 6 types of work we are seeing from the Rashtrapati Bhavan angle and from the Governor House angle in the state. You can see the vote bank angle also. Shiv Puran from the vote bank angle. Vishnu Puran and Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita from the vote bank angle. Brahma Puran ISBN from the vote bank angle. Durga Devi Bhagavad from the vote bank angle. Varshkrit God and Goddess from the vote bank angle, and Constitution, government history, time husband from the vote bank. Then by Amit Kumar Jha question 16.66 into 6 document wise I am making in order to understand the drama. Then setting from 31st August 1946 in the current date. I am trying to explain that 4 slab pension 1832-46 year can be adjusted in organized self-employment ministry and budget, and 3 budget system, annual budget 108 ministry which is there, railway budget 1 ministry which is there, organized self-employment ministry and budget will bring us regular income to us. To control the administrative machinery by your trust, by giving signing document of organized self-employment ministry and deposit it in the parliament, our brothers and sisters, the MPs and MLAs, 750 MPs, 545 from the Lok Sabha, 250 from the Rajya Sabha, and Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad, 29 state and 29 state and 6 union territory, 4,500 MP and MLs. By signing the documents state wise or by center wise, we will be making organized documents from the 6th room of organized self-employment ministry made by Amit Kumar Jha, Saradapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407. Mobile number 6397360717. By purchasing this book Truth Only Term, by understanding this concept, by generating trust. 6 family drama, V6 Truth Only Terms, organized self-employment ministry, 30,000 above and 30,000 below per month. By our work, 30,000 per month earning above and below by making the employment equilibrium point, because when 3 budget will come, equilibrium and inflation and deflation might go up and down. So according to the validity, 30,000 equilibrium point can move up and down. But one thing is certain, 70% of the population is below 30,000 per month earner and 30% is above per month 30,000 earner. In that 12% is coming from the nature and 18% we are making. So we have to understand this. We have to understand organized self-employment ministry concept given by Amit Kumar Jha, which is me. Truth only terms drama, which I am trying to propagate in the various ways so that we can be able to understand. Self-employment government job is the requirement of today. The government job, self-employment government job can be generated by the trust faith. When we will sign the document, our parliament brothers will take it and it will keep it in the organized self-employment ministry budget, 6 room, Amit Kumar Jha, Saradapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407. शिव शक्ति मंदिर, शिव पुराण रूम, विष्णु लक्ष्मी राम सीता कृष्ण राधा मंदिर, विष्णु पुराण रूम, ब्रह्मा सरस्वती ISBN मंदिर, आदि शक्ति जगदम्बा फैमिली एंड हस्बैंड मंदिर रूम, वर्षकृत इंदू गॉर्डन वर्षकृत रूम एंड गवर्नमेंट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन टाइम हस्बैंड रूम. Means 120 crore, 20 crore into 6, 120 crore documents will be set automatically. Vote bank 16.66 into 6, because all Aadhaar card, PAN number and photo election card, we all are related to each other. Our family members are scattered all over India. So with photo election identity card, Aadhaar card, permanent account number, by organized self-employment ministry and budget, we will develop preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed number. This preamble wise organized employed and organized self-employed number will be linked to either our finance commission or self-earning self-work certain finance commission. We have three economy from the ancient times: capitalist economy, socialist economy and government economy. When the national movement was going on up till 1911, Governor up till means 1857, Governor General was managing us, because all the document was controlled under Governor General. Then gradually 1885 we started asking questions. We did national movement. We have developed our freedom. Now on 15th August 1947 we got independence. We got our old documents. But again we are facing the problem of self-employment. We are facing the problem of irregular income. We are facing the problem of employment. The aura of this Rashtrapati Bhavan look of this document and 12 mandir each, 12 into 6, 72. 72 Banarsi sari and 72 dhoti. We all 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan look and Governor House look are living in the constitutional document already. From the Rashtrapati Bhavan we can make it into 6 unborn house: Shiv Shakti house, Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita, Krishna Radha house, Brahma Saraswati house, Law Education house, Adi Shakti Jagadamba house, family house, Pratek Sanyukt Varshkat God and Goddess, each Hindu Varshkat God and Goddess, and government Trisri house, and transfer each other. Each house of us is doing our duty. Somvari, Mangalwari, Budhvari, Brasadvari, Sukrvari, Sanivari, Ravivari, Ekadashi, Triyodasi, Dwadashi, different types of fast we are doing. Satnarayan Puja, Rudra Yagya, Durga Yagya. All things we are doing in our rituals. We only have to document it from the Rashtrapati Bhavan. We have to understand the vote bank the need of the parliament and Amit Kumar Jha concept, which is generating employment. Each book is giving an employment concept. We have to become medium and representative of truth only terms and these Mandir documents, which is giving 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan look. If you will see, Shiv Puran is going toward Kailash Dham. But we as a Bhakta are living here on this earth. If we will see Vishnu Purana, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita, Vishnu Lakshmi, Rashtrapati Bhavan it is going toward Vaikuntha Dham and Shir Dham. We are living as Bhakta on this earth. If we will see Brahma Saraswati Puran, the ISBN Puran, it is going toward the Brahma Dham, Saraswati Dham, Shakti Dham. But we are living with the book libraries here, spreading the concept of truth and non-violence. If we see the Durga Sapti Devi Bhagavat, it is going toward the Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham. But we are living with the true non-violence spirit. If we will see Varshkrit, each united God and Goddess, it is going toward Varshkrit Dham and we are living on this earth. If we will see constitution, it is going toward the government dham, we are living here. In 16.66 into 6, we are generating 1 point of Amit Kumar Jha in a documented form by understanding the rays, the 7 pair rays which is coming in our Hinduism, which is trying to explain self-employment can be generated by our trust, worthiness, pure, truthful, non-violence document signature. Prime Minister, Chief Minister, Governor, President, when we will sign with our responsibility and fundamental duty, they will acknowledge our effort. When we will purchase these truth only terms, we will understand, yes, one income, one educational certificate, one self fiscal credit work. If we are by signing document validating, we are generating a work. Our parliament, our father, mother, our parliament system will acknowledge our effort. From village to city to metropolitan, all over India we will live safe, because we have signed documents of democracy, of our fundamental duties towards our organized self-employment ministry and constitution. We have become the vote bank, and in lieu of that we are per month getting fiscal credit salary. The opportunity is also coming. Each educational certificate which we will do, it will add educational certificate in capital value, and our fiscal credit salary will also increase. We have to understand, we can do wonders by respecting each other, believing in unity. Organized self-employment ministry is coming from this book, Truth Only Terms. We have to purchase this book. We have to call 6397360717 for purchasing this book. We have to come together for organized self-employment ministry. By one step forward, self-employment government job can be created. Yes, from 2001 I am efforting. This is the 10th organized self-employment session which I am taking here. You have to share, we have to generate trust among ourselves, our documents. You can keep in your home Shiv Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Vishnu Puran, Durga Saptati, Brahma Saraswati Puran, Durga Saptati, Devi Bhagavad, Hindu Varshkrit, Constitution, and you see 12 Banarsi sari and 12 dhoti each. See, from the democratic eye, from the Rashtrapati Bhavan eye and from the governor eye, it is going towards Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Sat Dham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess and government dham. We have to understand the constitutional organized path from the Rashtrapati Bhavan eye and from the governor house eye. We are generating a organized self-employment documented path, and we are blessed by these. Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar concept of organized self-employment ministry. We become self-employment government job. We are doing self-employment government job between 0 to 18 years, 18 to 58 years. And 4 slab pension is coming at 18, 32, 46, 58 year. And apart from this, per month fiscal credit salary is coming. We are doing our fundamental duty because we are signing. From the 6th Rashtrapati Bhavan I and 6th Governor House, we are shifting it into human limitation, into 6 house, 6 unborn house. Shiv Puran house, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita. Because Amit Kumar Jha, I am telling that if we are trying to organize money, we have to pay, we have to make one part of the Shiv Shakti and one part of the Vishnu Lakshmi. Organized setup automatically it is coming. Court martial connection concept which Amit Kumar Jha I am trying to develop, which is giving direct court martial connection. In this way, we are trying to discipline ourselves, we are trying to organize ourselves, and we are enjoying all the facility of all the dhamas. in organized manner, and fiscal credit salary is coming to we all by our effort of organized self-employment ministry and budget. By purchasing this book, by understanding the concept, by promoting organized self-employment ministry and budget, we are trying to administer by 30,000 above per month earner and 30,000 below per month earner. Automatically we are transferring through the president, chief ministers concerned to one house to other house. We are the vote bank and we are doing all our duties. Shiv Shakti house duty, Shivratri. Vishnu Lakshmi house, Ramayana Bhagavad Gita duty, Holi, Diwali and other type of Vishnu Lakshmi Puja. Brahma Saraswati house, Saraswati Puja and different types of Brahma Puja. Adi Shakti Jagdamba house duties, the Durga Puja, the all types of Vat Savitri Puja, all types of Madhusramani Puja, all types of Puja. Each United Varshkit house, God and Goddess, many types of Hindu God and Goddess, Indra Puja and other types of pujas which is done for the each United God and Goddess. Then the government, the 15th August, 26th January. Apart from this, I am trying to generate organized self-employment ministry work puja, because self-employment remained with us, regular income remained with us. Apart from Ramnami, Krishnashtami, Durga Puja, Lakshmi Puja, Saraswati Puja, Ekadasi, Triyodasi, all types of puja, I am trying to generate 16 February to 26 February, organized self-employment 6 family puja, and 31st August to 11 September, organized self-employment career promotion. Per month fiscal credits, right of educational certificate in capital value. It will generate a momentum in us. We will be employed. The self-transfer system of organized self-employment ministry can shift us from village to Mumbai, Delhi, Calcutta, Madras. And the organized self-employment ministry budget circle will transfer us in our age in that area, because it is giving vote bank to the Vidhan Sabha and it is giving vote bank to the central government. The organized documented system of organized self-employment ministry which I am trying to propagate, by which we all are getting self-employment government job, because only by understanding the Shiv Puran, Shiv Mandir document, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Vishnu Lakshmi Mandir document, Brahma Saraswati Puran, the various books of Madan Mohan Malviya, Vivekananda, Vinoda Bhave, Rabindranath Tagore, Sarojini Naidu, Jawaharlal Nehru, Narendra Modi, MPs and MLAs, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, all have written the book, the ISBN Puran, which has tried to develop Jayaprakash Narayan, Morarji Desai, these types of books, Meera Kumar, different types of books, which the ISBN heroes has written, and understanding the truthful non-violence path, we are generating a employment work, and this work will give us relaxation of fiscal credit salary. Self-employment government job is the requirement. Why I am trying to emphasize on organized self-employment ministry? Because a democratic parliament can adjust our work in the parliamentary way. We have to do our constitutional duty and optional work. Why I am saying Vishnu Puran and Shiv Puran, the industrial work and the political work. Vice versa, we have to understand if industries is also doing politics and politician is also doing industrial work. Because an honest politician has less money, he will try to increase his industrial base, and a industrial people has less political concept, he will try to expand his network. So vice versa, all 6 family are linked to each other. By the various ways we are married in different families. From the Kailas, Vaikunt, Saddam, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each United God and Goddess Dham, and Government Dham, and from the Rashtrapati Bhavan angle, and from the Governor House angle, and from 0 to 18 to 58 whole life angle, if we are seeing We are going to an organized setup. The setup from 1773, from 1860 government setup, and in 1946 we tried to show a idealistic outlook. That is why 6 Rashtrapati concept, in the concept way I have tried to portray it in truth only terms. And on that basis, 6 house, unborn house, I have tried to make so that the vote bank of Shiv Shakti house, vote bank of Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita Krishna Radha house, vote bank of Brahma Saraswati house, vote bank of Adi Shakti Chakdamba house, vote bank of each united God and Goddess house, vote bank of government tertiary house, vote bank of Varshkrit God and Goddess house, everything would reflect it. And we have to understand, we men and women have to understand the constitution at 0 to 18, 18 to 58 years. What will happen? We will become self-employment government job. We will play this drama between 16 to 26 February, 31st August to 11 September. The 6th family drama which is in our heart. We have to understand the document. All the book which I am mentioning, if you will put in front of me or in front of you, automatically you will understand that we are already living this life. We have to acknowledge organized self-employment ministry work. The work which will give us self-employment government job. The private sector work which we are doing, it will boost up, because we will get a guaranteed self-employment. Yes, of course, below 30,000, little bit less income, but regular 12-month income will be given. We don't have to wander for the work. And industrial brothers will also getting the share. If you are saying our paternal share mandir, our fathers and mothers have already made Shiv Shakti Mandir, Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita Krishna Radha Mandir, Brahma Saraswati Mandir in the different form of ISBN, Premchand and different types of authors who has written their books in the ISBN Mandir. Certificate we can see. Then Durga Sapsati and Devi Bhagavad Mandir and Hindu Varshkrit Mandir, different type of truth non-violence God Mandirs we are seeing. Suri Mandir and different types of Mandir, Indra Mandir and different types of Mandir. And then the government Mandir. The national flag, 15th August, 26th and 26th January, Indian National Constitution, all these are mandir. We are putting in the form of 16.66 by documentation from the Rashtrapati Bhavan. 12 Banarsi Sari and 12 Dhoti into 6, 72 Banarsi Sari and 72 Dhotis. We already are interlinked in the various marriages. We are grandsons, we are sons, we are daughters, we are fathers, we are mothers. In different role we are playing. We have to understand organized self-employment ministry is the requirement of today. Annual budget 108 ministry, railway budget 1 ministry already present. We have to acknowledge truth only terms 6 family setup. We will transfer ourselves, we are transferring the vote bank to each other. What will happen? Our democratic setup will increase. Organized self-employment ministry status will come. The ministry work which we are not doing, which we are trying to hide, both work will come up. The industrial worker and the ministry worker. The politician work will be seen in the election vote identity card. The industrial work will be seen in the election vote identity card. If you will put the 6 book in the court martial range and 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan angle and 6 governor angle and putting the Aadhaar card into 20 crore into 6, 120 crore, you will see one house is of politician, one house is of businessman, one house is of educationist, one lawyers, one house is of family man, one house is of truth non-violence and one house is of government. 16.66 into 6. Amit Kumar Jha is trying to play this drama in order to understand self-employment government job to one and all. By signing the document of 6, we are getting self-employment government job. Fiscal credit table I have already prepared. You have to purchase this truth only terms book in order to understand truth only terms through 63973 60717 calling. Organized self-employment ministry is the requirement of today. This is organized self-employment ministry 10th session. I am trying to explain because we have to understand self-employment government job is the requirement of today. We will become self-employed government job. We will have regular salary. We can transfer ourselves anywhere. Industrial worker and the government worker, everyone will be satisfied. We all will be happy from 0 to 18, 18 to 58 years. By the constitutional duty, we will be able to manage through annual budget 100 railway budget organized self-employment ministry. We are 130 crore population. Our weakness should be our strong point. By self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing per month. Through the Amit Kumar Jha concept of truth only terms, we have to become organized self-employed. We have to make organized self-employment ministry and budget. Thank you.